The Aipas F3 Electric Bike for adults is an impressive piece of engineering that aims to provide an exhilarating riding experience while maintaining practicality for everyday commuting. With a peak motor power of 1500 W and a robust 48V 12.8Ah battery, it promises not just speed and agility but also endurance. This review will delve into various aspects of the Aipas F3, including its performance, design, comfort, and overall value. Performance. The standout feature of the Aipas F3 is undoubtedly its powerful motor. With a peak output of 1500 W, the bike can effortlessly reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it one of the faster options in the electric bike market. Whether you're commuting to work or enjoying a weekend ride, the acceleration is impressive, allowing you to navigate through traffic or tackle steep hills without breaking a sweat. The bike features 3 different riding modes: electric only, pedal assist, and manual pedaling. This versatility allows users to choose between a fully electric experience or a hybrid mode that encourages physical activity. The pedal assist mode is particularly noteworthy, as it intelligently adjusts the level of assistance based on your pedaling effort, making it easier to ride long distances without tiring out quickly. With a maximum range of approximately 40 miles on a single charge, the Aipas F3 holds its own against other electric bikes in its class. For daily commuting, this range is more than sufficient, and the bike's regenerative braking system further enhances its efficiency by recharging the battery while braking. Design. Aesthetically, the Aipas F3 is sleek and modern, available in several color options that appeal to a wide range of tastes. The frame is made from high-quality aluminum, which not only contributes to its lightweight nature but also adds to the bike's durability. Weighing in at around 65 pounds, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability, making it manageable for most riders. The bike's design includes a front suspension fork that absorbs shocks from uneven terrain, providing a smoother ride. The wide tires offer excellent traction and stability, a critical feature for both city streets and off-road paths. Additionally, the integrated LED headlight and taillight improve visibility during night rides, enhancing safety, a vital consideration for urban commuters. Comfort. Comfort is another area where the Aipas F3 shines. The adjustable seat provides ample cushioning and can be easily modified to ensure an optimal riding position for different body types. The handlebars are ergonomically designed, which minimizes strain on the wrists, especially during longer rides. Riders will appreciate how easy it is to maintain comfort, even during extended journeys. Another notable aspect is the bike's low step-through frame design, which simplifies mounting and dismounting. This feature is particularly beneficial for riders with limited mobility or those who simply prefer a more accessible bike design. User experience. The control panel located on the handlebars is intuitive and user-friendly, featuring a clear LED display that shows essential information such as speed, battery life, and distance traveled. Navigating through the bike settings is straightforward, allowing riders to switch between different riding modes with ease. One minor drawback is the bike's weight, which could be cumbersome for some users when maneuvering it in tight spaces or lifting it onto bike racks. Additionally, while the battery life is commendable, it's important to fully charge it before long trips, especially if you plan on using the bike in electric mode for extended periods. Value for money. Considering its features, performance, and build quality, the Aipas F3 electric bike offers excellent value for money. It competes well with similar models within the same price range, often exceeding expectations in terms of speed and usability. The bike's combination of power, range, and comfort makes it a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or simply enjoy leisurely rides. In conclusion, the Aipas F3 electric bike for adults combines performance, comfort, and style in a well-designed package. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails,